Alrighty.
Oh no.
We good?
Yep, we're good.
Okay. So for my seating, I took it more literally as like the seating area. And like the physical seats that I wanted to use were stuff that you could move around so that everyone had like a choice of where they wanted to sit, how they wanted to be seated. The bottom left, it's like chairs that you can put together or break apart. You can like make co-seating or have it individual. And then also had the aspect of like bringing in nature. So having it be open, like the ceiling is like slightly alternating between like wood and open paneling. Having like natural lighting, like minimalist lighting. So that was kind of like the idea I was going for.
Nice. Are you done?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
So this is my chair. I went off of like, cause most of my matrix was from Tempe Marketplace and they have a lot of like couches and stuff. So I went off of that, but then I added like little things like plugins for phones and like an umbrella when it gets like sunny or rainy and stuff like that. And then it's just made out of like cushions, like a couch is, but then the bottom part is like made with wood.
So for my chair, I wanted something that you could like kind of like lean back in, if that makes sense, to like fit to your body. So you could kind of like half lay down and half be like sitting up. But then I also wanted something with like cushion that was like comfortable to sit in. So it wasn't like some like hard material. So yeah, just kind of like half laying down chair.
So my idea of a chair was like, you know, those balls on Target? I was thinking like, why don't we take those balls in Target and just like carve out like a seating area inside and then just put in a very nice cushion in there and then just like make a little mechanical metal thing that can hold a concrete plate so you can just close, like you can open and close this this ball. And what that would do is protect it from the temperature and the rain and everything like that. And it's supposed to be like made of concrete. So concrete ball with a cushion inside. If that, you can just open and close it. That's just kind of my idea so far.
So what I tried to do was I wanted to have like a lounge-ish chair, but you're sort of still sitting up. So I focused mostly on the slope of the seat itself and like how much dip there was going to be closer to the back versus like at the knee area. And that's like my primary thought process.
So this is my chair, and why I picked this chair is like whatever I'm doing in respect of like my assignments or like chilling, like or like watching TV, I prefer comfort. So when I remember comfort, it's like recliner chair is like the only comfort chair which I think. So, but I can't do everything like working with a laptop. So I just installed a laptop holder. And my second constraint is like I can't keep coffee mug, so I just installed the cup holder. And for sustainability, I use the air cushion thing, which if you want you can fill more air. Like let's say it depends on you. And I installed back adjustment for back and all for people. And that's it.
So yeah, with that in mind, do we want to make a vote now, or do we want to talk about our reasoning to why you should pick one of our chairs?
I say we just go into reasoning. I mean, voting, not reasoning.
All right. So
unless any of you guys want to fight for your chair, not.
I do want to say I had a lot more things I want to add in. I said it was concrete and it's a ball, mainly so that concrete's sustainable, and a ball is more like it's small, like we can make it smaller so that we can put many of these chairs in different areas without taking up too much space. That's it.
But I feel like maybe this is just for Arizona, but I feel like maybe a wood handle, not a metal one.
Yeah, definitely.
It's hot.
That's true.
That's the only thing though, but I like the design of your chair.
Does anyone else want to talk about their anything else they want to add to their chair?
Can you guys comment your numbers in the thing? I don't have the thing open.
Yes.
What was that?
Actually, just kidding.
All right. And then we have piece of software that we can vote on. All right, and has everyone voted already?
Yes.
Mm,
Oh wait, we got 3 votes so far. Oh, 5 votes.
We have 5.
all right.
Okay. And it looks like we chose. Wait. Oh wait, yeah, we chose number 3. So
I think I'm pretty sure I'm number 3.
yes. So
Okay.
we are going with
Brooklyn, yeah.
Brooklyn's lounge chair design right here. All right. So
So now I think we have to discuss about like why we think, like what we think the ideal seating area should look like,
Let's see.
and like how we need to make improvements or adjustments to the final design we chose.
Okay. Well, I mean, going into this design, I just wanted something that was like super comfy that you could like veg in. Like I wasn't really like focusing on it like being more people. Just like I was focused mainly on comfortability.
Mhm.
Like there's other aspects we want to try to work into that chair. Like let me know if you guys have ideas. And
Well, I think what's really good about your chair that you already have is the fact that material wise, it doesn't look like it would be that expensive to mass produce if needed. And it does open up to allow, if you had a bunch of those chairs like in a circle or whatever, you could have like a place where a bunch of people could come together and just chill and talk.
yeah. I did have a little bit of I did worry about like maybe if there was too much weight on the chair, it could possibly break, but I'm sure if we plan it out, we could actually like solve that problem really easily.
Yeah, you could design.
Like a support or something
Yeah.
to just in case if needed.
Or like material. You can get better material for it.
Mm.
In my opinion, like people choose the fancy chairs to sit if they have 2 options, like normal chairs and fancy chairs. So this chair seems like a bit fancy, so people like to sit in that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, so to make this chair like more of our ideal design, focus more on that, like the balance and like the like how sturdy it is to create
Yeah.
it more.
For this, do you have like an internal skeleton for it, and then you put the cushioning on top, or like upholster it, something like that?
You guys know those like chairs you just kind of like fold out in like your rooms that are like discs, like the disc chairs?
I don't know what that is.
That was like the material I was thinking of.
I know what you're talking about. They're like circle shaped.
Yeah.
Yeah, they like fold.
Yeah.
I don't know the material I had envisioned.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So is there anything
Oh,
else
is
that
it?
we
Oh yeah, go ahead.
is there anything else that we need to discuss?
I think one thing about this would be like how you put it together, because like a lot of chairs like come not all pieced together. You know what I mean? You don't buy it as the full chair,
hmm
and it's not easy to like ship full
That's
like
true.
chairs like this. You know?
Like an IKEA special.
Yeah. You know how it, like comes with like 75,000 pieces,
hmm
stuff like that.
Yeah. I'm sure we can make a blueprint to how to make it if we need to get that far in the
Mhm.
project.
Yeah, I really don't know what he's gonna have us do like for it. I haven't looked ahead.
Yeah.
So.
I'm sure we can divide this like chair into like 3 easy like 3 easy parts to assemble everything together.
See the final. I mean, we could discuss this later, actually.
Yeah. All right.
I think we got everything we needed for this Zoom recording.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.